Two Domino's employees facing charges tonight, and this is why. A shocking video that hit the web. It shows them allegedly messing with your food. They have turned themselves in, and tonight we've learned they will be charged. News Channel 36 reporter Tony Burbeck is live now at the Catawba County Jail.
And we have a lot of new information about the two people in that video. In fact, within the last couple of minutes, we did, in fact, get it confirmed that the woman in that video is a registered sex offender from Alexander County. In fact, we just talked to her own mother, who said she's even repulsed by that video. Both of the people in the video now here at the Catawba County Jail getting booked on a charge of contaminating food, and if convicted, could spend 4 months to a year in jail.
This is Christy back again.
We now know the narrator, Christy, in this disgusting "we're messing with your food" YouTube video at a Conover Domino's Pizza is Christy Lynn Thompson, who also goes by Christy Lynn Hammonds. And she's got a lengthy rap sheet, including charges for communicating threats and harassing phone calls. Those charges were ultimately dismissed.
That's you.
Michael, the one doing the disgusting antics, is Michael Anthony Setzer. We asked this Domino's why they would hire Christy with her record. The corporate response? Local franchise owners are responsible for hiring. The local answer? Well, we never got one. Meanwhile, Catawba County Public Health inspected Domino's twice. All previously opened food and paper products have been thrown out, as well as items not in their original packaging. All utensils have been sanitized.
And according to the recommendations, which has been followed, and we have overseen the sanitation process, the facility is ready to be reopened.
Of course, we know that their take, the people in the video, said, well, this was all a joke, and they say they never served the food. However, please tell me that the video was the overwhelming evidence that is leading to this charge. There's also another interesting twist to this case. It's the first time that either the County Health Department and the Conover Police Department can think of that an internet video prompted investigations. We're live now with the mobile newsroom in Catawba County. Tony Burbeck, News Channel 36.